Students, this is question number 4a. We are asked to make R the subject. So this is the first part. First part is R negative h is equal to R times h. So what I would do is I want to make the representation for R. So that would mean you bring this quantity to the left. So R negative RH and move this quantity. So that's going to be h there. Now you take R out, you get 1 negative, h is equal to h. So you divide by 1 negative h both sides. So what do you get? So this is going to be h over 1 negative h. And that is the solution for this question. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Question number 2 is given as v is equal to pi r squared h. Move everything to the left. So v is equal to, I'm talking about pi and h. So pi h will be here. So r squared is there. So I rewrite this r squared as v over pi times h. Now you take square root both sides. Take square root both sides. We get. So what happens here? Square root of r squared is equal to square root of v over pi h. So therefore r is equal to root of v divided by root of pi times h. So that is the solution for this question. So we move on. Now this is the next question. We got f and g defined as follows. F of x is equal to 2x positive 5 and g of x is x negative 3 divided by 2. Now we are asked to find f inverse of 90. So this is a solution. So consider f of x is equal to 2x positive 5. Rewriting, I'm going to rewrite this as y is equal to 2x positive 5. Then replace y by x and x by y. So you got x is equal to 2 times y positive 5. Then you rewrite the system. When I say system, it means equation. Rewrite the equation for y. We get. So what do you get? X negative 5 is equal to 2y. So 2y is equal to x negative 5. You divide by 2 both sides. So divided by 2 divided by 2. So y is equal to x negative 5 divided by 2. So this means f inverse of x is equal to x negative 5 divided by 2. Now we need to find f inverse when x is equal to 19. So this means f inverse of 19 is equal to 19 negative 5 divided by 2. 19 negative 5 will give you 14 divided by 2. 2 divides here 7 times. So therefore f inverse of 19 is equal to 7. You can box it. So that's a solution. Now you have to find, let me use this part of the space, fg of you need to find gf of 3. Now gf3 is rewritten as g of f3, which is nothing but g of, now we need to get f of 3, right? So this is the functional value. So you open a parenthesis. It's going to be 2 of 3 positive 5. So this means g of 3 times 2 is 6, 6 positive 5 is 11, g of 11. Now you take this and you substitute it here. So this is going to be 11 negative 3 divided by 2. So that is going to be 8 over 2. So it's going to be 4. So therefore gf3 is equal to 4. So that's the solution for this question. Now this is question C, line segment GH as an equation 3x positive 2y is equal to 15. We are asked to determine the gradient of GH. Now solution, rewrite the equation of the line in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope. Another word for slope is gradient. So hence 3x plus 2y is equal to 15 becomes 2y is equal to 15 negative 3x. You divide by 2 both sides. What do you get? 2y divided by 2 is equal to 15 divided by 2 negative 3 divided by 2 times x. 2 gets cancelled, so y is equal to, I'm rewriting it as 3 over 2 times x, positive 15 over 2. This is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to negative 3 over 2 implies gradient is equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so we got the gradient. Now what they are saying is another line JK is perpendicular to GH and passes through 4,1. We are asked to find the equation of JK. So this is the question given. Okay. Since we know the equation of GH is y is equal to negative 3 over 2 times x, positive 15 over 2, and JK is perpendicular to GH, this means the slope or gradient of JK is equal to negative 1 over m, which is equal to negative 1 over negative 3 over 2, which is equal to 2 over 3. So this is the gradient of JK. Now since JK passes through 4,1, the equation of JK is y negative y1 is equal to m times x negative x1. You take this as x1, this as y1, so this is y negative 1 is equal to 2 over 3 x negative 4. So you cross multiply, you get 3 times y negative 3 is equal to 2 times x negative 8. Move the 3 to the other side, you get 3y is equal to 2x negative 8 positive 3, which is 2x negative 5 is equal to 3y. Now you divide by 3 both sides. What do you get? Divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. You get y is equal to 2 over 3 times x negative 5 over 3. What is this? Is the required equation of JK. Okay, so that's the solution.